I'm going to teach you how to make a script that gives you cash for every minute that you play the game. And also I'm going to teach you how to make a game pass, which will give you double that amount. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to teach you how to get the game pass. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your games webpage, and you need to click on the store button, then click on add pass. And then it's gonna take you to your game creator pass page, and now you're just gonna need to create a name for it, create a description, and add an icon. But since I've already got one, I'm just gonna use this. But you need to choose a file, upload it, create a name, and then click on preview, and then it'll ask you to verify, and then it'll upload it. And then it should come up down here like this. And then click on configure by clicking on the settings sign and clicking on configure. Then it's going to take you to here where it's going to give you the option to change the name, so change the picture and the description. Then you need to go into sales and click on the item for sale, make sure that turns green, and then you need to set the price. So I'm just going to set mine to whatever, I'm going to set mine to 100. And then once you set your price can be whatever you want. And once you set that, just click on save, like that. And then this ID at the top, and you're going to need to copy this, because this is what we're going to need to use in the script. So now back to Roblox Studio. So what you need to do is you need to add in a normal script inside of script service, like that. And then make sure you type everything exactly how I type it. Make sure you get all the capitalization correct also, because it's kind of sensitive, it'll probably not work if you type anything different. Okay, let's get straight into the script.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
Okay, so the script should be done now. You can change these values to whatever you want. This is just going to be the amount of cash that your players get every minute. So you can change this to whatever you want. But to make this game pass actually do what it should be, you need to make this top number double the bottom number. So if you want this number 100, then you're going to want this number 200, because it's a ×2 game pass. If you were going to make a ×3 game pass, then you'll probably put this 300. But since mine's a ×2 game pass, I'm going to leave mine 200 like that. And then the 60 in this bracket here is just the amount of seconds in between each time the players get more cash. So if you want your players to get cash every 5 seconds, then you'll want to change both of these to 5. So basically what this script does is it checks if the player actually owns the game pass, and if they do, they get 200 every 5 seconds. And if they don't, they'll get 100 every 5 seconds. Okay, so also I need to tell you that this ID up here needs to be the ID of your game pass. This is just the ID for my game pass, so if you type this, it might not work because this is not yours. Okay, so let's head into the game and test it out. Okay, as you can see, I've got more cash. I've got 200, and in 5 seconds, yep, I've got 400. In 5 seconds, I should have 600. Just like that. So if this video helped anyone see more, then make sure you like, subscribe and turn the bell to be notified when that video comes out. Also remember to leave your suggestions in the comment section down below for a shout out one of my videos. Okay, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.